So don't be getting a screwdriver in and try to lever it out. There we go, just gently pull it out. And that's our light unit liberated. Welcome to a Discovery video, the first of however many videos I might do on this vehicle. And in this video I'm going to be changing a rear light. First thing I need to do is verify the complaint. Let's see if it's going to tell anything. Usually it tells you if there's a bulb out. There's no warning lights on the dash, so I'll just turn the lights on, go outside, let's see if we've got a fault. And everything seems to be okay at this end. So as yet I'm not able to confirm the complaint. And what I'll do is I'll see if I can check the brake lights, because the tail lights seem to be okay. I'll just set the camera up and put the brakes on. So I've wedged the brake pedal with a piece of wood, come round with a brake light this side, but nothing this side. So that's the complaint confirmed. So it's just a matter of getting to the bulbs and replacing them. First thing to do, open the tailgate. Looks like it's held on by... Right, this might be a bit awkward. Should be able to get to the light units, two Phillips screws, and it should come off. So get these screws out. And the light unit should just come out. I think it's one of these, it pops in as well to locate it, but I don't have my trim tools with me. There we go, just get my fingers in. So don't be getting a screwdriver in and try to lever it out. There we go, just gently pull it out. And that's our light unit liberated. So get you in a better position. It's looking like these two, just a slight turn anti-clockwise. And out they come. So being supplied with replacement bulbs. And these are 3 filament bulbs, you know, combined stop and tail light. So this refitting is just a reverse of taking them out. And looks like I've taken the wrong one out. That's not the stop and tail lights. It'll be the next one down. But with me, you see the mistakes and the fails as well as the successes. What you see is what happens. So this one must be the other stop and tail light. No. Let's have a look. It was definitely that one down there. So this must be the right one. Yeah, it is the right one. I was right the first time. So before I button it up, just leave it hanging and we'll test it before we button it up. So that is a confirmed fix, just two bulbs. Obviously it was working with side lights, but the brake light part wasn't working, so I'll get it buttoned up and then I can finish off. So I've done a scan on it. There were quite a few codes that I cleared, but there's only one that's come back, and that's for the body control module, seat height, motor hall, sensor. So nothing to, but other than that, it's all green across the board. So I'm going to end the video here. In case I didn't say, it's actually 2006 Land Rover Discovery 3. So if I said that wrong in the introduction, that's, you know, that's down to me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.